Good afternoon. Let's see. Yeah, it's afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? I didn't show y'all this. It's like my new bracelet. It got like the planets on it and shit like that. I found it on Amazon. It was pretty cool. Along with some with my clippers, my new ones. Um, Coming at y'all today with the video to discuss something I promised, but I didn't carry out. And y'all can see the dreads. They're somewhat caving in. Um, I don't know what to do with my hair at this point, bro. It's like I want dreads, but like it's a lot of maintenance. My bad. I got to just do something real quick. Anyways, um, so the music industry. Oh yeah, album drops. Well, I'm recording this on the last Saturday of January, but album drops between Sunday and Monday. Like I said on my story. Um, be open minded. This is my first album. EP mixtape, and I rushed a couple of songs. I'm not gonna hold you. I did rush because I was finding myself overaccumulated with schoolwork. I didn't think I was gonna be this overaccumulated in 2021, but like teachers have not even teachers, just like one specific teacher has been a pain in the ass, and I had her the previous year. I'm not even gonna talk about her, but she's been a pain, bro. So I haven't really been able to do much, and also I got stuff I gotta watch over and manage. So get ready for this gardening season in like April, May. Get all the season stuff. You know, it's a lot. You know, um. So keep an open mind when you go into the music. Not we're already like 2 minutes into the video. Let's get into the music industry, right? So the music industry in itself, it is a dark place. Everybody knows that, or everybody should know that. But the majority of the population knows that. But the levels to how dark it is, it's very, it's more confusing than you think. So let's start with talking about the transgenders within the music industry. I wanted to go into Hollywood, but you know what? I think I'll talk about that in a different video. But let me readjust my camera. Get that settled. Yeah, I'm chewing on gum, so my bad. But let's get into transgenders within the music industry. So let me first start by saying this, right? I'm not against transgenders or gay people or any of that. As I previously stated before, I don't care what you are. If you have good intentions and respect for me, then we cool. I don't really care. I don't judge a being by their sexual preference or what they have down there. If you're a good person, hey, I'm chill with you. Straight up. Now, with that being said, there are a lot of transgenders within the music industry. There's a lot of men who look like women within the industry. And if you go on my page and look at the Knowledge is Power page, I'll give you an example, right? So I don't know if I can post it because YouTube might take it down or something like that. But basically, there's a video of Megan Thee Stallion. I think it was from 2019, in which she was thrusting. If I could put the video up right now, I don't know how to put videos in. Hopefully, I'll figure it out by whenever I post this. But let's just say I post it up right now. Megan Thee Stallion was basically shaking, twerking. She was thrusting her crotch to the crowd, singing her song "Big Old Freak," I think it was. And the way I said that, and while she was twerking towards the crowd, and like she was twerking in front so that like her butt was facing the DJ booth. It turns out that something popped out. Now, within that video, it's not of good quality, but you can clearly see that there's a long dingling, and that's not a camel toe. You could tell that's penis. Who is calling the phone, dude? Bro, I'm getting all types of interruptions, bro. It is crazy. Only when I decided to record this video. So, back to what I was talking about, right? Um, damn, I lost my whole train of thought. Anyways, I think I was talking about Megan Thee Stallion, right? So something popped out, and yeah, I can show you if you want the evidence. I could really post the evidence, but I'm gonna send it to you. I'm not gonna post it on my main page. That's insanity. Um, Also within the music industry, you have a lot of homosexuality. Once again, not against gay people, but it's a ritual, all right? And there's a lot of rituals within the music industry. Um, it's not even just signing a contract. I think the guy's name is Jay Marvelous. Go watch his page for more information, where he really dives deep into this. Which I'm just covering the bases. I'm not diving deep because I gotta be careful with my tone. You gotta be careful with your tone when you're talking in these videos. But there's a lot of deep, dark shit that they do. And they've been doing it for years, decades, however you want to say it. But with them, it's a lot of like sacrificial stuff. It's a lot of like. I'll tag the videos in the description of this video that show what I'm talking about. But there's a lot of like, it's not just with the Illuminati, bro. Essentially, if we want to call everything Illuminati, then it's the whole entire government, bro, and other governments. Straight up. Um, Damn, because I really hate that because I have to be really careful with my tone. But I touch it to Hollywood as well because they have a lot of like people think that it's just like, oh, you can make this good song, or oh, you can do this, do that. You need a record label to promote you. All right. And if you don't sign with that label, you're not gonna get the correct promotion. Name an artist out here that is not signed to a label right now. You can't name one. Or in co-partnership, which is signed. They're signed. Don't even fall for that. They're signed. And they tell you, don't sign to this label, stay independent. There's a reason they're saying that, but also you're not gonna get rich. You're not gonna get rich and you're not gonna get famous. Now, when you sign that contract, you automatically sell your soul. You automatically do. Alright, you agree to be getting rich, getting famous for however amount of time, whatever you bargain. It may require you to sacrifice, it may require you to do this, do that. It all depends. But you gotta be extremely cautious. Really gotta be extremely cautious. Because it's a lot of shit. It is a lot of shit that they do. Without question. I tried posting on Instagram yesterday. I mean not yesterday, a couple of days ago. And a few others about like they've been taking down a lot of exposing pages too. But I posted this video about X talking about his third eye, right? And he didn't really go deep into it, but just a little bit off the surface. That video on Reels, that got like 2,500 views. I posted a Megan Thee Stallion video. That got maybe 52 views. I posted a video of the children being trafficked and stuff. That got like about like 17 views. Bro, they control everything. They control everything you do. They're controlling this video right now. If I even upload this on YouTube, they're controlling that. They can delete it if they want. They can choose who gets to see it, who doesn't. They can choose for this to not become popular. Look at all the stuff on the trending page of YouTube. Tell me what significance does that serve? And I ain't even talking about politics. Politics and stuff, I talked about that. That shit is not important. It's reality TV. Straight up. When do they talk about the music industry on trending? When do they talk about the dark stuff? When do they talk about adrenochrome? When do they talk about transgenders within the music industry? All these people becoming more successful when they put on a dress. Ryan put on a dress. Lil Yachty put on a dress. Tom Holland put on a dress. Who else could I think of? Eddie Murphy put on a dress. Arsenio Hall put on a dress. I'm not sure if Cedric the Entertainer and Steve Harvey did so, but there's a couple of there's not a couple, there's a lot more that did that. Young Thug, Lil Uzi, ASAP Rocky. It goes on, and Hollywood and the music industry is all tied together. It's all tied together, and it's two of the most disgusting industries ever created. Um, I already touched on adrenochrome and all that. You got to be really careful. You Now, if you want to sell your soul, if you want to get into all that dark shit, by all means, that's on you. That's on you. But remember something: when you die, you are not. No, it don't matter how good you are. Once you sell your soul, once you profiting off the devil, you done, bro. And this isn't even any religious stuff. Once you make a deal with a demon, you're done. It's over. You're done. And that's not even a strike fear into you. That's just a true fact. That's just a true statement. If How do I say this? How do I say this? You just gotta understand, bro. Fame, fortune, it comes with a price, and it's not talking about, oh, you gotta sign this, oh, you gotta give this little thing up and that little thing. You gotta sacrifice niggas, bro. You gotta do bad shit that I can't even really talk about in this video. I can't. I want to, but it's like, in order for me to keep making these videos, I gotta keep my tone. I gotta watch my tone. But I'm gonna still get you the information at the end of the day. You just gotta keep watching and understanding what I'm talking about. Now, let's get into Hollywood, right? A little bit more. With Hollywood, it's like, it's disgusting as well. Oh, I gotta hurry up and end this video. But with Hollywood, you got the adrenochrome stuff like I was talking about. They make you do a lot of gay scenes and stuff. It's bro. They will they'll make you buck over with the sagging stuff. Bro, you don't understand, bro. They'll break you down. They'll break you down and make you a slave, bro. And I'm not talking about slave as in, oh, I'm chained up mentally. They'll get you with the MK Ultra. What did King Von's spiritual advisor say? They'll take over your mind. Let's take over your mind. That ain't you. That wasn't Von. You could see him in the club that night before he got popped. And there's a video of somebody predicting his death who knew this was gonna happen. Cause how did Lil Durk get with Drake? How did Lil Durk and Drake? If you were to think about that two years ago, Lil Durk and Drake, why would that happen? And then all of a sudden Von dies and Newski. There's so many people, bro. And I'm not even saying this to offend anybody, but you gotta understand what's really going on. I'm gonna end this video right here because the time for me to upload this on Instagram and YouTube is coming to a close. But I love y'all. Take care of yourselves. Go for more information. Look in the description a little bit later. Stay woke. Stay spiritual. More videos coming.